How can sulfur burps and diarrhea be treated or prevented?
Hello, viewers. Today we're going to be talking about a common yet bothersome issue many people face: sulfur burps and diarrhea. We will provide you with helpful tips and strategies on how to manage, treat, and prevent these symptoms effectively.
What causes sulfur burps and diarrhea?
Sulfur burps and diarrhea are often caused by the breakdown of proteins containing sulfur or the presence of bacteria in the gut that produce sulfur gases. Diarrhea can accompany these symptoms due to various factors like gastrointestinal infections, food intolerance, stress, or certain medications.
How can sulfur burps and diarrhea be treated?
Medication over-the-counter medication like antacids can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, which may subsequently decrease sulfur burps. For diarrhea, antidiarrheal medication could be considered. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. Dietary changes: you can limit your intake of sulfur-rich foods such as eggs, meat, and certain vegetables, like cabbage and broccoli. Consuming smaller, more frequent meals rather than 3 large ones may also be beneficial. Hydration: it's crucial to stay hydrated, especially if you're dealing with diarrhea, which can lead to dehydration. Drink plenty of fluids like water and rehydration solutions.
How can sulfur burps and diarrhea be prevented?
Regular exercise: engaging in regular physical activity can help stimulate normal contractions of your intestines and reduce constipation, which can in turn reduce sulfur burps. Balanced diet: a balanced diet rich in fiber helps regulate the digestive system and prevent conditions like diarrhea. Avoid foods you're intolerant to and moderate your intake of fatty or spicy foods. Hygiene: maintain proper hygiene, such as washing your hands regularly, to prevent infections that can cause diarrhea. Dealing with sulfur burps and diarrhea can be uncomfortable and disruptive. By understanding their causes and taking steps towards prevention and treatment, you can better manage these symptoms. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have persistent or severe symptoms. Here's to a healthier digestive system and a healthier you.